Hello and welcome. You're with IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live conversation web television, your platform which is an extension of social media, where we talk about what you guys are talking about on social media. We comment on it, we discuss it, we highlight it for you, and well, I'm sure you've noticed I'm not smiling. It's a bit difficult for me to smile today. India has lost the semi-final, the ICC World Cup semi-final against Australia by 95 runs at the Sydney Cricket Ground. Remember, this was a very important and a crucial match. Many experts touted it as a more important match, even more important than the finals, which of course now Australia will play against New Zealand. This match was pitted against four-time World Cup winner Australia, who are also ranked right on top in the one-day team, and versus India, who is a current title holder. So that was it. India and Australia, very important match, and the atmosphere at the SCG was definitely electrifying and sizzling. But Australia put up a very high score, a daunting score of 328 runs for the loss of 7 wickets. And in fact, Steven Smith's knock, he just seemed to know where to go through the gaps seemingly with ease, and his score helped to notch up that amazing total. Of course, in the morning the hashtags were India Jeetegi, the hashtags were we will not give it back, and that of course changed through the day. So that was definitely every aspect of the India-Australia semi-final today has been trending on social media. So India versus Australia, and of course, other than Steven Smith's marvelous stroke, also Aaron Finch, early in the innings, he struggled for timing, he struggled for placement, but he also played a major role in compiling that knock. James Faulkner, Shane Watson and Mitchell Johnson, these guys were lethal in their strikes, and they lifted Australia's morale, which seemed to be sagging in the middle. And for India, Umesh picked up 4 wickets. So important for India to pick up early wickets, they have to be aggressive and attacking, and that is what VVS Lakshman had to say at the beginning of the match. All the poor souls who couldn't take sick leave, this is something that you could see in the Times of India, of course, and a lot of other sites, ball-to-ball commentary. This is a great Indian team, the whole billion, said Baman Irani. These were the tweets that were happening right at the beginning. Something doesn't feel right. Yes, you're right. Something didn't feel right. That huge score of 328 was daunting. It was an imposing total. India more desperate for a wicket than an engineering boy trying to get laid. All right. Well, that is nice. That's a nice comparison. All right. So India, in fact, right from the beginning, it seemed to be struggling. It seemed to be faltering in chasing the score. And Virat Kohli, a lot of people had lots of expectations from Virat, but he could only manage to score 1 run. And Anushka Sharma, his alleged girlfriend, in fact, Virat has been pretty open about their relationship. She had flown down to cheer, but her presence did not really help Virat. And basically, they were expecting a huge special innings, but he lost his wicket to a short ball by MG Johnson just after scoring 1 run. Needless to say, Indian fans reacted in anger and dismay, and unfortunately, Anushka Sharma started to troll. She became the butt of all the anger, all the jokes, all the nastiness of people on Twitter. She flew in all the way to watch her boy just, make 1 run and drop a catch. Remember the time Anushka did a shitty job in a film because Virat Kohli was on set? Yeah, me neither. Okay, this is a supportive tweet. Somebody supporting him. Why didn't Anushka have some other surgery to undergo today? Basically, a lot of people have called her a panoti. A lot of people have said she's unlucky. Anushka is trending on a day Kohli should have been trending. Definitely, that's sad. Like she began to troll. This is why celebrities keep their affairs private. Anushka is being taken for a ride all the time. Some very pertinent, comments there. The moment Anushka realizes that her holiday is ending a few days early. Okay, that is her reaction when Virat was out. Anushka, what was that shot? Virat, I was trying a new shot I learned from where? From IIN Jhumri Talaiya. Okay. This is a takeoff on the IIN ad of Idea. Anushka, you made NH10, but Virat didn't even make 10. We might have to give it back. Yeah, that is what started trending. Okay, that is what Anushka Sharma might have been feeling like after Virat scored only that one run. It's awful when people lash out on a player, significant other of the player didn't play well. Not cool. Be emotional, not unfair, says Chetan Bhagat. All right, so now India, went off to a very slow and a sedate start. Remember, they were chasing a total of 329 and they needed 329 to win. But Johnson struck, like I said, he got Virat out on 1 and Rohit also fell. Now, when India was down 4 wickets, that is when most of us began to realize that something very wrong is going to happen, something very bad is going to happen, we might just lose it. So like you just saw when Virat was out, we might have to give it back. That is what started trending. Of course, India-Australia hashtag has been trending through the day. So people started expressing their disappointment, their dismay, and the fact that the jokes, of course, there were some funny jokes also that all those who had taken leave from work might have to finally go back to office. So there were angry tweets, there were disappointed tweets. Okay, that was something that was trending down south. The tiger versus the kangaroo. And private employees, hello sir, ab tabiyat behtar hai, main office aa raha hu. Obviously, this is when people began to realize that India is going to lose. Not watching, better to pray. All right, somebody decided to switch off her TV and just pray. Pranav Mistry, technocrat, well, he wanted to be Modi's technocrat. This means I'm working on Saturday? Okay, that's what he'd said. All right. Almost wish we had lost one of the less important matches in the easier stages just to neutralize the nazar. Okay. Raheel Khurshid of Twitter and Omar Abdullah there. India is playing Gulli Danda in Galley today. Okay. Definitely someone who's extremely angry and disappointed at India's performance. Suddenly, everyone remembered that they had something else to do. This is when people began to realize that we are losing. Maybe I'm just in denial. Maybe we will give it back. And we did. No miracle can save India now. This was, I'm sure, not just 4, but maybe when we lost our 6th wicket, maybe after Dhoni, was run out. My grandpa, who died in the morning, just woke up. I'm reaching office in 30 minutes. Well, definitely a lot of uncles and aunts and grandparents have been resurrected during the course of the match, during the second innings, when we began to realize that, okay, we're losing. And we lost. We could only manage to score 233, so we lost by 95 runs. So then the hashtag right at the end of the day, about an hour ago, half an hour ago, is that we have given it back. We gave it back, we have given it back, we have lost. And well, it's just something that needs to be accepted. But definitely India did not lose a single match prior to this. In the past 1 month, India has given us some good cricket, some good entertainment. Today was, well, I guess one of those bad days. Definitely the batsmen failed us very badly. And very, very disappointing there, because I think right from the beginning, we were like, we will not give it back. So after that, at the end of the day, those were the tweets that we have given it back. We gave it back. And remember, India and Australia have clashed 10 times in World Cups, and Australia has won 7 of them. But India won their last encounter, a World Cup match, quarter-final at Motera in Ahmedabad. That was a gripping game that India won thanks to Yuvraj and Raina's calmness under pressure in a chase. But today, they somehow could not manage the chase. We did this to save Pakistan's firecracker industry. Definitely remember the Mauka ads that were going. Okay, heartbroken, gutted, but the spot in World Cup will take that, the semi-final spot. We still ended on a high note. Definitely the men in blue have given us good cricket. They won all 7 games to get it till here. Hold your heads up, men in blue. You may have lost today, but you've made us proud. Definitely. That is a sentiment I think we should all be going with now. No shame for India. We had a fantastic tournament. We were never the favourites, but gave the bookies a solid outside shout. Future is clear. Thank you, Captain, for bringing us to the semi-finals and making us proud. Now everyone's plan has changed for this weekend. Definitely people were expecting and hoping an India-New Zealand final, but now it's another. The hosts play, against each other. The only element which made us lose it was the absence of Yuvraj Singh. Definitely, Yuvraj Singh is someone who many people have been missing. Koi nahi, if we gave it back, thand rakho, haters and lovers. Till next time, we will bring it back. All right. Yeah, those are dejected fans who started leaving the venue, just after the fall of the 6th and 7th wicket itself. People realized that, a huge target and not that many wickets or overs to spare. We gave it back. Actually, well, they snatched it back. Definitely, we were playing against a better team today. Let's accept it. Let's admit it. And finally, Rajdeep said, those who are burning effigies of the Indian players are losers who need to get alive. MS Dhoni and his team did us proud. We gave it back, but they did us proud. Alright, so that's the message for all of us. The boys in blue did us proud. We reached the semi-finals. A lot of people thought we wouldn't, but we consistently played well. Of course, Australia definitely proved themselves to be a better team today. So what else? That's all that has been trending through the day today. Various hashtags that were created during the course of the match, from we will not give it back to India jeetega to we gave it back. Well, we lost the match, but definitely a lot of people very, very active on social media, expressing their angst, their disgust, their dismay, their anger, and also their appreciation at the Indian team. So if you have anything to say about that match, write into us at India Post Live, send us your video comments, tweet us at #IndiaPostLive and @IndiaPostLive. Thanks so much for watching. See you in Trend Tonic tomorrow. Bye-bye.